Okay, I'm in my niece Dodge Caliber. It's a 2010 Dodge Caliber, and sometimes it goes dead, like when you got it in drive. Say for instance, I put it in drive. Put it in drive right here. You probably hear it. It's trying to go dead. And I just took this thing and got a tune up, and he cleaned the throttle body. That's what he said he did, but it is still trying to go dead. It's like it's not idled up enough. It shakes a little bit. And I've did some reviews here on Dodge Calibers 2010. It's a 4-cylinder, and I noticed that other people have the same problem. But let me show you this. I'm gonna put this thing in park, and you see the idle. It's about 3/4. It ain't at the 1,000 yet, so it's about 750. But I'm gonna come down here and I'm gonna hit my brakes. I'm gonna pump on my brakes. Watch what happened to my idle. Okay, you ready? I'm finna start pumping it. It idles up when I start pumping the brakes. I do not understand that. Then I'm gonna stop pumping the brakes and it go back down. So I'm gonna pump the brakes again. Check this out. If anybody else having this problem and know how to fix this, let me know, because I hate taking it back to that same mechanic, which I'm gonna have to, because it's doing the same thing. We paid $300 to get a tune-up and the throttle body clean, but I don't know if he actually did it or not. So I'm gonna pump this brakes again. All right, thank you. And send me a message or leave a comment at the bottom if you know what this problem is. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching welding and stuff.